Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Before starting my video, if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do, and do not forget to turn on notifications. As always, I'm sharing great contents for you guys. Alright, in this video we're going to start the arrays. Let's create a new solution. Let me check we are in our development branch. Let's go to new project. It's going to be console application. Next, let's give it youtube.c#arrays. Let me check the spelling. It's alright. Yep. Let's quit it. Let's clear the screen. Arrays. And we're going to start with the single dimension arrays. Okay. What the array is. What is the array? Why are we using array for? I'm going to explain this with a example. Okay. Just imagine there is a school and there is a school management. This management asks the teacher, okay, asks the teacher to give them a 3 student name. So how normally in our knowledge in this section, how we do that? How do we do that? We assign strings for each student, right? Student 1, Michael. Student 2 is Bob. Student 3 is Amanda. Yeah, perfect. But this is a better way to keep those student names, and as you can see, the management of those names is really hard. And if you create a list, I think it's much better. So we're using arrays to make those information, those data to make a list. Okay, let's create one. There is a few ways to create it. I'm going to show all of them. Let's start with the long one. String square brackets, and it's done. Our array has been created. Let's give a name now. Students. And I'm going to give the names right now. But before that, new string and how many we have? 3. I'm gonna assign a 3 student, right? I'm gonna make those empty just for now. I'm gonna fill the names later. Okay, what is that new string 3 and why it's a little bit transparent if we compare with the other texts? Because in the new version of C# you don't need to use those text anymore, because once you give how many item in your array, it's going to be detected automatically and assigned as a new string for your array. Okay, so you don't need to type this, but I'm gonna keep it just for you. No, there is a hidden text here. Okay, let's give the name now. Perfect. Let's assign the teachers now. String teachers. So as I told you before, we don't need to use any new string 3 or something like that. Just open a curly bracket and type, for example, George, and the second teacher, let's think a name. I'm gonna write my own name. All right, so our teachers has been created. All right, let's create a management now. String again. There is one way to use this new string keywords here. If we create an empty array, and if we going to assign them later, so we can create as how can I say, with a new string keywords. Okay, let's type management and new string. For example, we need to have just we have just 2 management team in our school. Management 0 is, let's think a name. Let's give a Bobby. This is not a name, but let's use it, doesn't matter. Management 1 is Charlie. Charlie. Okay, perfect. So we assigned the name of our managements later. By the way, every item in the array start with the 0, 0, 1 first, 0, 1 second, 0, 1. As you can see, we assigned the management items start with the management 0 and management 1. Okay. I assume you understand the logic of the array and how we create those. Okay, perfect. Let's print them on our screen and see the results. There is a dollar sign. I'm gonna use a sign as well. Let's use the dollar sign and double quote. I'm gonna start from here. Okay. Student name is, let's choose one. Students, for example, 1. Yep. Teacher name is teacher 0. And management name is management 1. Perfect. Let's see the results now. Before, obviously, before starting our project, let's set this project as a startup, then click to run. Yes, here we go. As you can see, student name is Bob, teacher name is George, management name is Charlie. Perfect, it's working. What if we would like to change the arrays while we creating our methods or classes for the future time? You can update them as well. To do that, students, for example, 2, or change let's 1. Um, let's think a name. Gordon. And I'm going to change teacher 0 name to Elizabeth. And let's change the management. Is that 1, right? Yeah. Let's change the Tony. Alright. Let's type these names again and see the changes, if it's done or not. As you can see, the names are changed. So we able to change our items of our list. Okay, perfect. I assume you understand the single dimensions array. Actually, I wanted to show the loops, but in this section, I didn't teach you loops yet. I'm gonna leave it like that. When it comes to the loop section, I'm going to use arrays again, and I'm gonna show you how can we print them all in just one command line. Okay, perfect. Let's continue with the um, two dimensions. Two dimensions array. What does that mean? Guys, as you can see, we have 2 teachers and 3 students, right? So what if we would like to merge them in one array? So we using 2 dimensions array for this. Let's create one string and put a comma. It means there is going to be 2 dimensions in one array. All right, let's continue. Give a name. students, the list of student list. Okay, it is going to be two student lists for each teacher, right? Let's try to type them. Okay, new string, and it's going to be two teacher and three students, right? Perfect. Let's start adding our informations. So this is going to be first list. I'm gonna make them empty to show you easily. This is going to be first list for first teacher, and it's going to be three students. This is going to be the second list for the other three students for the other teacher. Okay. Okay, let's type the first list from Michael, Bob, and Amanda. These are our first list of first teacher. But management told us give us another three student name for the second teacher, right? Let's start type names. Catherine, Joshua, I guess I typed wrong. Just type Josh and Kimberly. All right. So we have two different lists in our two dimensions array, right? So how can we use them? Let's copy and paste our also read line. So we have list of student list, right? I'm gonna delete this student name from first first list is student 0, comma 2. Not students, list of student list. Yep. And I'm gonna copy all of them. Second list. Let's type here. This is third student, right? Third student name from, yeah, this is going, I'm gonna use this first student name from the second list. Okay. This is going to be second list, which is going to be 1, and the first student list, this is going to be 0. Let's run our application and have a look. Amanda and Catherine. Let's have a look. Let's check now. All right. So first list, third student, Amanda. Second list, first student, Catherine. Here we go. This is how we use and define our arrays. Also, you can set a new name after create your student list. Let's try to make it again. List of student list. For example, first list and third student is going to be, it was Amanda, right? I'm going to change it to my name. All right. Let's see the results now. As you can see, we update the name for the future commands. All right. I hope, I assume you understand. Let me see how many minutes have been done. It's almost 15 minutes. Let me check my notes. Is there anything I missed to tell you? we only did not the loop, how to use our arrays with the loops, but I told you before I'm going to show you when it comes to learning loops. I'm going to finish this lesson here. Let's commit our changes. Array lessons. Perfect. Let's commit them. We are in development. Perfect. Let's go to our manage branches, switch to the main, right click on dev and merge dev into the main. Let me check everything is correct. There is no conflict and merge. Perfect. Let's go back. Alright, let's close it. Alright guys, thanks for watching video. If you like the video, I will be really appreciated, as it really motivates me to create new contents. And if you have questions, don't forget to drop comments below the video. And see you on next lesson. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.